Have you ever looked up at a house and really noticed the chimney? If you look closely, you'll see that almost every chimney wears a little hat. It's a simple piece of metal or clay sitting quietly on top of the roof. But why is it there? Is it just an architectural decoration to make the house look finished? Or is there a hidden vital purpose behind this everyday accessory? Welcome to Simple Things Surprising Histories. Today we are looking at something you've probably seen 1,000 times, but never given a second thought. We're answering the question, why do chimneys have caps? Let's start with the most relentless enemy of any home, water. Without a cap, a chimney is essentially a dark, open tunnel leading straight down into the center of your house. Every time it rains or snows, water would pour directly inside. Over time, this moisture mixes with creosote, the dark, sooty byproduct of burning wood. When these two mix, they create a highly corrosive acid. This acid silently eats away at the chimney liner and the mortar holding the bricks together. In colder climates, water trapped in those bricks freezes and expands, literally cracking the chimney apart from the inside out. But it's not just water we have to worry about, it's the wind. Imagine sitting by a warm, cozy fire, only to have a sudden gust of wind blow a massive cloud of smoke right back into your living room. This is called a downdraft. A well-designed chimney cap acts as an aerodynamic shield, directing the wind away from the opening so your fire can breathe safely and your living room stays smoke-free. Now imagine waking up in the middle of the night to the sound of scratching coming from behind your fireplace. To a bird, a squirrel, or a raccoon, an uncapped chimney looks like the perfect predator-free luxury apartment. It's warm, it's dark, and it keeps them safe from the elements. In North America, a specific species known as the chimney swift actually evolved to build their nests on the vertical walls inside chimneys. But animal nests are highly flammable. Worse, they can completely block the airflow of the chimney. If that happens, deadly carbon monoxide can back up into the home instead of venting outside. The chimney cap, with its tough metal mesh, acts as a bouncer, keeping our furry and feathered friends out in the wild where they belong. But perhaps the most historically significant reason for the chimney cap is what it keeps in rather than what it keeps out. Historically, before modern building codes, homes were constructed with highly flammable roofing materials like wood shingles or thatch. As a fire crackles, it sends burning embers floating up the chimney on a column of hot air. Without a cap, those glowing sparks shoot straight out into the sky, landing right on your roof or your neighbor's house. In fact, stray sparks from chimneys were a leading cause of devastating urban fires throughout history. Today, the mesh on the side of a chimney cap functions as what is called a spark arrestor. It catches these burning embers, stopping them in their tracks while letting the smoke pass through. It's a simple piece of wire that has quite literally saved thousands of neighborhoods from burning to the ground. So the next time you take a walk through your town and look up at the rooftops, give a little nod to the chimney cap. It's not just a decoration. It is a rain blocker, a windshield, an animal barrier, and a silent guardian against fires. It is the perfect example of how the simplest things often do the heaviest lifting. Thank you for watching Simple Things Surprising Histories. If you enjoyed this little journey into the everyday, please hit the like button, share this with a curious friend, and subscribe to the channel for more surprising stories hidden in plain sight. Until next time, stay curious.